Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to link your Steam account to a different Rockstar Social Club account. To begin, open the Rockstar Games launcher and log out of your current Social Club account. Once logged out, close the launcher completely. Now, open your browser and go to the Rockstar Social Club website. Log in with the account you want to link to Steam. Next, launch Steam or Epic Games and go to your game library. Start a Rockstar game like GTA V or Red Dead Redemption 2. When the Rockstar Games launcher opens, it will ask you to log in. Enter the credentials for the new Social Club account you just signed into. Once logged in, the Rockstar Games launcher will automatically link this new Social Club account to your Steam. That's it. Your Steam account is now connected to a different Rockstar Social Club. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.